This is a sign your heater core is leaking. See how the coolant is dripping? See? I'm gonna show you guys how to fix it, how to replace the sleeper heater core today. Alright, if you wanna change the sleeper heater core, this is it right here. This is it right here. You're gonna have to cut this off. You might need a saw or something. You have to cut around it. Cut this off. Take this off, and then I'm gonna try to do it. As you can see, not easy, but you have to cut it off. That's where the sleeper heater core is, inside this little thing right here. Saw might be easier, but hey, if you're on the road, you gotta do what you do. You gotta do what you gotta do. Improvise. I don't recommend using the knife, but if that's all you have, that's all you have. It'll get it done, but just know it'll take some time, and it's not easy. Use a saw, might be faster. Alright guys, after you're done, cut it off. Let's see. It should come right off. There we go. Heater core. Got it. Get off completely. See, here we go. Break it off. Just gotta pull it out. Make sure you drain your coolant. I use a knife to do it. I use this knife at Walmart, $1. I think $2, I don't know. This is it. So I wanted to be sure that I can pull the cap off before I drain the coolant. So I'm gonna drain the coolant now, and I'm gonna show you how I drain the coolant. So when you buy the heater core, make sure they give you this cap. Make sure they give you this cap to put over this, to pull over that. Alright, draining the coolant. You're going to need a small flat screw, focus, and then you're going to unscrew either one of them. In this case, I'm gonna unscrew this and that and pull it out, and I'm gonna use a funnel to catch the coolant into the bucket. I mean, there's other way to drain your coolant, but this is how I'm gonna do it. You know, this is how I do it. That's how I'm gonna do it. Just unscrew this, unscrew that. Coolant's gonna be rushing everywhere, so be prepared. I have a bucket plus the funnel to put it in. After you drain it, you remove this, that. You gotta remove both and then pull them down a little bit. You gotta pull them down, apply a little pressure. But yeah. So that one came off. This one. I'm gonna get my bucket and just drain all the coolant from there. Also, make sure you buy coolant because you're definitely gonna need some. As you can see, this is how I drain my coolant. Not the best way, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. What you got? I just pull the hose from under there. Can't really show it. That's it. As you can see, the coolant is drained. Hose right here.
See, this right here is part of the heater core. So now all we have to do is take this off. Since the coolant is drained, there won't be much coming from this line. Just unscrew this, that, and then pull it down. See the two line? These are the two line that connected to the heater core. All you have to do is unscrew them and put them down, and just a little tug. It might be a little tight sometimes, a little tug, it'll come right down. Alright, once you pull everything off, it'll look like this. And that means you're ready to pull out the heater core, you see? So once you go inside the sleeper, all you have to do is pull it out. It should be quick and easy. Just pull it up and then put the new one in. I'm about to do that right now so you guys can see it. Alright, this is the old heater core, it's still in there. Remember, this is what you have to cut. It should be fairly easy. There we go. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand, but just pull it out. Let's see. I'm gonna have to pause it and pull it out. Okay. Once you pull it out, see, get the camera to focus. You have to make sure you put it back, the new one in there. Here's the new one. It's very easy. The old one is right here. See, it's no good. It was leaking. Every morning I wake up to a puddle of coolant. So the new one right here, gotta do is put it right back in there. If you can see this, there's two holes, one big, one small. All you have to do is match it. There's match it, so like this, and put it in there. The cover, this is the new cover. Since you break the old one, you'll have to put this one on. I'll show you guys how I put it on after I push this back down. Alright, once you put the new one in, this is a cap. It comes with the heater core. I don't understand why Freightliner just don't make this screwable to begin with, but so once you put that in, you see, just get a screw here, screw there, and then you should be good. Alright, after you put the cover on, just got a screw now. Just screw this, that, should be good to go. Done. Should look like this. Like this. Put everything back together, screw it back up. That's it. It's pretty simple. Crank the truck and you should have no more leakage.